Winter season is here and the temperatures are colder. We gotta protect stray and feral cats hang around your house to keep them warm. Our little furry friends might be resourceful, but they still need shelter to escape the harsh cold of the winter. When it gets really cold, cats can suffer from frostbite or hypothermia. Their fur coats sometimes simply are not enough to keep them warm. Show the stray cats in your community some love by providing them with some outdoor cat houses to keep them safe and comfy during the winter months. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an inexpensive do-it-yourself cat shelter for winter. Let's get started. We're gonna be needing chopped straw for the bedding, some containers for my cat's house, styrofoam board. I call this tape, scissors, and some cutter. Okay, so I already cut the foam boards and put it inside the container like so. Okay, fetch a cat. Now we're gonna cut the holes right here. I'm gonna use a cutter. Okay, so I'm gonna use a ruler and a marker. Oops. This marker, and we're gonna put a square and cut it. Okay. I already marked the area where I want to cut, and now it's time to use a cutter to make the door. So we're just gonna follow the marker like so and cut it all the way. It doesn't have to be perfect. I already cut this side. Now, I was thinking if I'm gonna, maybe I should just remove this. There we go. Now, I have a nice entrance. Now let's do the other side. So cold. Let me show you real quick my 3 feral cats that I adopted. 1, that's Nipsey. 2 and 3, Kitty Kate and Pecha Cat. Nipsey. Okay, let's continue working on this. Now we're gonna put some tape to secure the rough edges. Alright, so it's time to put masking tape, or no, this is not a masking tape, just like industrial tape, duct tape. It's a duct tape, so we're gonna put it around the edges to protect the cat's skin or fur. Okay, let's do it. already put the tape. Let me just show you. That's the entrance. And this is the exit. Now it's time to put some chopped straw. They said use straw, not hay. So let's put it inside. I got this straw from Amazon. Look at that. There's a lot, right? They're out of stock right now. It's Handley, I think. So let's put it inside to keep our 3 friends warm during winter. Check up on the house to make sure the cats are staying dry. You can invite stray cats to the heated cat house with catnip or treats. Make sure your kitty knows she is appreciated by providing her the best and yummiest food possible. Now let me just fix this too. I'll put some on the side. Also this area. Nice bedding. Okay, and that's it. Now we just need to cover it up. I put some styrofoam on top as well for the lid. Okay. Now they can just hop in and go inside to keep them safe and warm. Sweet. I already made 3 outdoor cat houses. This one right here is from Amazon, and I DIY this 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's so cold. I'm gonna go inside now. Bye. That's it for now. See you later.